Hi, I'm Chloe. My team members are Lynn and Wei Yee. We are going to introduce to you an instruction model called Concept Attainment Model. So, what is it about? Look at the pictures. What are you thinking? What do you think the pictures have in common? Are you thinking about animals? Or perhaps more precise, how about insects? I guess you are right. All the animals in the pictures belong to a group called insect. What is concept attainment? It is an instructional strategy that uses a structured inquiry process. It encourages critical thinking skills, problem-solving skills, and decision-making skills. That is the basic idea of concept attainment. Concept attainment is an indirect instructional strategy that uses a structured inquiry process. It is based on the work of Jerome Bruner. Traditionally, teaching happens when a teacher gives and explains a concept to students. And the way to apply it, students are usually directed to learn through memorization and recitation. This style of learning doesn't encourage students to actively apply the information newly gained or from the long-term memory. However, in concept attainment model, teacher will reverse the order. In this concept, students are presented with some examples. Then students figure out the attributes of the group or category that has already been formed by the teacher. Students will figure out the concept and can develop a strong conceptual understanding on the topic that is chosen by the teacher. Therefore, the model encourages students to think critically, enhances their problem-solving and decision-making skills. It is a fun teaching and learning experience using this concept. How does concept attainment model work? In the model, students will be presented a set of yes examples and no examples. The examples can be in the form of physical objects, pictures, stories, or words. Yes examples are the examples that are under the concept topic. No examples are any other examples that do not belong to the concept. Students will compare the positive examples and negative examples in order to identify the attributes of characteristics. They will try to give a definition to the concept. Teacher is a facilitator in this activity. Teachers should be showing more enthusiasm during the process to make students to be more engaging in the activity. We will demonstrate to you a short lesson on math using this model. The topic or the activity is about multiplication. There are three phases in concept attainment model. Phase 1 involves presentation of data to the learner. In Phase 2, students compare and identify the concept. In Phase 3, students will write the definition of the concept. To get attention from the students, I will start the class by telling them, "Good morning, class. Today we are going to do something different. We are going to play a game. You all will need to solve a mysterious math concept I have in mind. In this secret bag, there are clues to the concept. There are two types of examples, the yes and no concept. There are two tables in front of the whiteboard. All the examples will be placed there according to the yes or no property. What I want you to do is to compare and find the common characteristics of the yes examples. You are the detective today. Please write down anything that is related to the objects that I am going to show you, but don't say it out yet until my next instruction." Teacher will present the examples by pairs. First the yes examples and followed by no examples. The examples should lead to many different guesses. For instance, the examples shown may lead students to guess it as more or less. As we show more examples, they may drop the ideas and make another guesses. After 3 sets of examples are shown, teacher may raise some questions to get students. Examples of questions include, what is the common thing that you can see? What do you notice about the amount of objects? In Phase 2, students are allowed to discuss with their partners for the attributes or creation of the hypothesis. At the same time, teacher can facilitate and guide the students. More examples can be shown to students to enable them to test their hypothesis. Now students will share their guesses with the class. Teacher will confirm and summarize the concept. Students may notice the examples will have repetitive grouping. After completing the secret bag, teacher will discuss with the students and arrive to the definitions. The class flow should take consideration of the student's age. For younger children, teacher may help to conclude and review the magic words. Give a little more explanation on the concept that they are learning today. Explain that multiplication is repeating addition. Teacher can further evaluate the understanding and concept attainment by identifying the unlabeled objects or asking the students to create new examples. This will enable teacher to assess the understanding of individual students. This activity may have some challenges, particularly in sharing ideas. Students may not actively participate in the activity where thinking is involved. Longer time may be needed for younger children as they have limited vocabulary. Some may not know how to express themselves. Despite the challenges to be faced, teachers should not stop using this concept. Concept attainment is a good model to understand a concept, and with the fun activities introduced, learners will grasp the concept easily during the process. Thank you.